Welcome to Zoho Campaigns. It is an online tool that helps businesses send emails to their customers or subscribers. It makes it easy to create, send, and track email marketing campaigns. You can design emails with drag and drop tools, manage your email list, and see reports to know how many people opened or clicked your emails. It's useful for staying connected with customers, promoting products, or sharing news. Basically, it's like a smart email assistant for marketing. Now let us have a quick view of features available in the Zoho campaigns. The first one we have is dashboard. This is your main control center. It shows you an overview of email campaigns like how many emails were sent, opened or clicked. It helps you quickly see how your marketing is doing. Next up you have campaigns. This is where you create and send your emails. You can design pretty emails, write messages and choose who to send them to. Then you have contacts. This is your address book. It stores all the email addresses and information of your customers or subscribers. You can organize them into groups to send targeted emails. Then you have automation. This lets you set up automatic email actions. For example, when someone signs up, they get a welcome email right away without you having to send it manually. You can also create workflows in this. Then you have e-commerce. If you run an online store, this helps you connect your store with Zoho campaigns. You can send emails about new products, offers, or abandoned carts to encourage sales. Then you have library. This is where you save your email designs, images, and templates. You can reuse them anytime to save time when making new emails. Create reports like after sending emails. This shows detailed information on how your emails perform, like who opened them, clicked links, or unsubscribed. This helps you improve future campaigns. Now let us have a look into the pricing plans of Zoho campaigns. There are 3 plans available. The first one is Forever Free Plan. It is best for small businesses or individuals just starting out. You get basic tools to send emails to up to 2000 contacts and limited monthly emails. It includes sign-up forms, some ready-made email templates and compliance checks. It's great if you want to try email marketing without paying. Next up, you have a standard and most popular plan that is ideal for growing businesses that want to send unlimited emails and have more users. It adds features like basic segmentation to target groups, full access to email templates, and simple automation workflows. You can also add SMS marketing and get a dedicated IP as extra options. It's perfect if you want to add more control and flexibility in your email marketing. Next up, you have a professional plan. It's designed for larger or more advanced businesses with bigger teams and needs. It includes everything in standard plus advanced targeting, contact scoring, and detailed automation workflows. It supports e-commerce features like cart abandonment emails and purchase follow-ups. It also offers dynamic content, email polls, attachments, and options to send emails based on recipient time zones or best open times, and also allows batch sending and pop-up forms. It's great for businesses wanting powerful, automated, and personalized marketing. For any Zoho requirements, contact us at www.fgrade.com/zoho.